Today we're talking about law firm S Corp election step by step. All right, everybody, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We do bookkeeping for law firm owners, and we're super good at it. For our clients as well, we'll let them know when it's time to elect S Corp status. If you want to know what that is, I'm going to make another video on it. If you're here because you're wondering how to actually do the S Corp election, you've come to the right place. Before I get to that though, if you are a law firm owner and you need help with your bookkeeping, please go to bigbird.accounting.com and set up a time to talk with us over the phone for free. Okay, S Corp election. How do you do it? It's actually relatively straightforward. And what I'm going to do is go through step by step how you do this. Okay. So step one is going to be open Google and just search for IRS Form 2553. Okay. That form is called Election by a Small Business Corporation. All right. By the way, you can do this on your own. It's possible. I've done it on my own. You are a lawyer. You should be able to figure it out. If you need help though, just shoot me an email and reach out to me. I'll see what I can do. Okay. But it's not that hard. We're literally going to go through this thing step by step. So go there, open that up, pause the video, and then come back. When you open this up, you're going to see what looks like a standard IRS form. It's got a bunch of things to fill in. Perfect. We're going through that. Okay. And when I'm looking off the screen, I'm actually looking at the form because we're going to go through it step by step. So part one, type or print your name, your employer identification number, right? Address, city, all that kind of stuff. Date incorporated, state of incorporation. Pretty straightforward, that part. Okay. D, probably going to ignore. Okay. Unless you change your name. Okay. Section E, election is to be effective for tax year beginning, and you're going to put whichever year you want to do this in. Right now it's October 30th, 2025. You can still elect it for 2025 if you want. You're just going to put January 1, 2025. We're going all the way back to the beginning of the year. If you want to do it for next year, then put January 1, 2026 in there. Okay. The selected tax year, F, is typically going to be calendar year. G, you can ignore unless you have more than 100 shareholders. Okay. Probably not going to be you. H, name and title of officer or legal rep. That's going to be you, probably president, whatever you called yourself when you created your LLC. Telephone number, put your telephone number in there. Pretty straightforward. Okay. Now, this is when things get a little bit tricky. I says, if this S Corp election is being filed late, I declare I had a reasonable cause for not filing Form 2553 timely. This late election is being made by an entity eligible, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you're going to have to put something in here, okay? The good news is the IRS has already helped you out, okay? They made this revenue ruling called 2013-30, okay? And they essentially said, if you say that you didn't fill out this form in time because of an inadvertent oversight, something as small as that, then they're going to hook you up. They're going to let you in. Okay. So in this section I, I'm going to tell you what to say exactly. All right. You are going to say, okay, the name of your law firm intended to be treated as an S corporation effective January 1, 2025. The failure to timely file Form 2553 was due to inadvertent oversight. Since January 1, 2025, the corporation and its shareholders have consistently acted as an S corporation for all tax purposes, including maintaining corporate formalities and treating distributions and compensation appropriately. The corporation requests relief under Revenue Procedure 2013-30 to allow a late S corporation election effective January 1, 2025. You have completed section I. Okay, pretty straightforward. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to sign, title, and date. Okay, you're going to go to page 2, and that's where you're just going to basically put your information in there. Okay, name and address of each shareholder, that's going to be you. Okay, sign it, date it, put how much, what your ownership percentage is. Part 2, selection of fiscal tax year. This is on page 3. Okay, this is going to be the applicable box to indicate whether the corporation is an existing corporation retaining the tax year entered in item F, part 1. That's what you're going to check. Okay. You can ignore P. Don't worry about that. You can ignore Q. You don't have to do any of this other stuff. This is only for special people. Okay. And then on page 4, again, you don't have to do page 4 either because you are not qualified subchapter S trust. Don't worry about that. And then that's all you got to do. So you're going to fill this out. You're going to send it in, and voila, you have S Corp status. What's important about this? You're going to save thousands and thousands of dollars a year on self-employment taxes because you're going to take a reasonable salary, and everything that is not your reasonable salary does not have to pay an extra 15.3%. So if you're not sure if you should be electing the S Corp status, if you made it this far, God bless you. But if you're not sure, reach out. I would love to talk to you, see if we can do your books, and give you a little bit of advice as far as this goes as well. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe if you want more fun law firm owner bookkeeping and tax information. And That's it for today. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of Big Bird Accounting. We do bookkeeping for law firm owners. We're super good at it. If you need help, go to bigbird.accounting.com. That's it for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. I'll talk to you again